Welcome to Condors Waterfall, and we are out in Chile, and we're still on the boat called Juana Rodriguez. Today is still Wednesday, May the 13th, 2026. It's Howard Paul Shore behind the camera, and with Ramirez. Hey, nice to meet you. Yes. What can you tell me about the cascada?
Well, all this waterfall comes from the melting of the glacier and the snow of the Chacabuco mountain that is on the top of the waterfall. And this is a nesting place for condors.
Very nice place. Wow. There's the condor. Somewhere. Wow, look at there's the condor right there. Here I am. Wow, this is an amazing place. So thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Come and visit.